Hey, it's John Marc and thanks for checking out this latest videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Today's lesson, I'm going to share with you how to draw a cartoon space boy. Alright, so if you're all set and you have your... wait, I gotta get my pencil. Oh, no, that's the wrong pencil. I'm sorry. If you have your pencil like this, that's the one I was looking for. Alright, so if you have that and some paper, let's begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson and I had a great time sharing it with you, and I hope you learned something from it. And as always, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do, and if you have, thanks a lot and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.